Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this Fun Maths Mathemagic series, what we are going to see today is a multiplication of a 4-digit number by another 4-digit number mentally in just 10 seconds. So let's take this example 9013 multiplied by 5208. Can we multiply these two numbers mentally and write the answer straight away in single line without writing any intermediate step? Yes, it can be done. So what's the answer for this sum? This is the answer. If you want, you can verify by using your calculator or by any other method you know to verify. But what's the secret? How this can be done mentally? That too without writing any intermediate steps. So this method is called crisscross multiplication method. So what we need to do, first we have to write the 4 digits of the first number and below which you write the 4 digits of the second number. Now we need to multiply them mentally and put down the answer here. How this can be done? This can be done in 7 steps. Mentally, it can be done by using 7 steps. What are those steps? In step number 1, we need to multiply only the first 2 digits. Okay, in the second step, we need to do 2 cross multiplication. Second digit of the first number is multiplied with the first digit of the second number. And second digit of the second number is multiplied with the first digit of the first number. So we need to do 2 cross multiplication. So what are the products obtained in these 2 steps? We need to add them together, sum them up. And along with that, if any carryover is there from step number 1, that also should be added up here. Now in the third step, we need to do 3 cross multiplication. I think this pictorial diagram express everything, no, what all the things need to be cross multiplied. This number with this number, third number with the first number, third number with the first number, and the middle 2 number. So add them together, all the products, 3 products together, and along with that, if any carryover is there from step number 2, that also you have to add up here. Now the fourth step, we need to do 4 cross multiplication, this and this, fourth number with first number of the other number. And then here the fourth number of the first number with the first digit of the second number. So these two cross multiplication, and these two should be cross multiplied, and 4 cross multiplication we have done. Sum up all the 4 products. Along with that, we have to sum up, we have to add the any carryover is there from step number 3. Now step number 5, leave out the first 2 digits, come to only the last 3 digits. So they need to be cross multiplied. So there are 3 pairs here. This and this, this and this, this and this. So the picture explains everything. So do the 3 cross multiplication mentally, add them together mentally, and from the with the final answer you add any carryover from step number 4. Now step number 6, leave out these 2 digits also. Take only the last 2 digits. Do the cross multiplication. Sum them up. And along with the answer, you add any carryover is left in the 5th step. Got it? Now the last step is only the multiplication of the last 2 digits. Leave out all the 3 digits. So multiply only the last 2 digits. Any carryover with from the step number 6, add them together here, and that will be the final answer. So now let us take the same sum what we have taken initially. So we need to multiply 9013 with 5208. What is step number 1? 3 8s are 24. The carryover is 2. You need not, don't write this carryover here. Try to remember it. So that will help you to improve your short-term memory. But initially, if you are not able to do that, you can put it down. But I always encourage you not to write. Try to remember mentally. So the carryover is 2 here. 3 8s are 24. Carryover is 2. Now let us go to the second step. 1 8 is 8. 0 3s are 0. If you sum them together, if you sum them up, what you get? 8 0. So 8. The carryover was 2 here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And the carryover is 1 here now. Try to remember that 1. Now let us move on to the third step. So what we need to multiply? 0 8s are 0. 2 3s are 6. 1 0 is 0. Therefore 8 6 1. If you sum them up, you get 8. The previous step, So here 2 3s are 6. That is 6, 0. This is 0. Therefore, if you sum them up, it is 6. And the previous step, the carry over was 1. Therefore, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, what is the fourth step? 9 8s are 72. 3 5s are 15. 72 plus 15, 87. This is 0. This is 2. Therefore, 87 plus 2, 89. So, we have put 9 here. And 8 is the carry over here. There was no carry over in the third step. That's why we are not adding anything here. So 89, so we are putting down 9 here, and we take this 8 as carry over. So remember this 8. Now fifth step, leave out the last two digits, take only these 3. So 5 ones are 5, 9 zeros are 0, 0 twos are 0. Therefore 5. What was the carry over here? The previous step, 8. So 5 plus 8, 13. Therefore, I have put down this 3, and 1 is the carry over here. Try to remember it. Now the sixth step, 9 twos are 18, 5 zeros are 0. Therefore, it is 18. So what was remaining here? What was the balance here? 1 was remaining. So 18 plus 1, 19. Therefore, I have put 9. The carry over is 1 here. Now let's move on to the seventh and the last step. 9 5s are 45. The carry over was 1 here. So 45 plus 1, 46. So no more digits to multiply. That's why we have taken 46. We have completed the answer. Now again you can verify if you want by using your calculator. So these are the various ways, various steps, 7 steps of doing 4-digit multiplication mentally. So I have taken almost 6 to 7 minutes to explain it. But once you learn, once you master the various steps, it can be done in 5 to 10 seconds. So quickly we can do that. Hope you like it. You enjoyed this. So if you like it, please click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And without fail, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another topic. Bye bye.